Hi, fifth graders. Today I want you to do an experiment that's going to test the effects of friction. We would usually do this at school and I would give you materials, but I bet you could find materials around your house so that you can do this at home. So the first thing you'll need to do is gather something that you can roll down a ramp. So the ball is an obvious choice, but if you can't find one of those, you can roll a can or a toy car of some sort. And then you're going to need something to make your ramp. So cookie sheet, cutting board, a large book. You use anything from the kitchen, make sure you get an adult's permission before you use it. Then you're going to need something to set your ramp up on. I have a box of pasta, but you can use books or just about anything else. And then you're going to need something to measure how far your object rolls. So I have a tape measure, but you could use a ruler. If you don't have either of those, you can just use your foot. Just measure how many feet. That's where the word foot comes from. Okay, once you get your materials all gathered, you're going to need to choose two different floor surfaces to work on. So I'm going to show you two from my house. We're going to do a hardwood floor and a carpeted floor, but you can do tile, you can do cement outside, driveway outside, dirt, grass, as long as you have two different floor surfaces. Okay, so you're going to set your ramp up, and then you'll want to take your object you're rolling and start it from the top of the ramp every time. Let it roll down. Let it roll till it stops rolling on its own, and then you're going to measure how far it rolled. You need to do that 3 times and record how far it rolled each time. So now I've moved to my second floor surface. I've got a fuzzy area rug here. I set my ramp up the same way that I had it set up the first time. I don't want to change anything. I'm rolling the same object. Don't want to change that either. Starting at the same place. We'll let it roll down. I'll measure how far it went and record it. I'll do that 3 times and finish filling out the Google form, and then you'll be finished. I'd like to thank my son Ryan for being my cameraman. I hope you have fun doing the experiment, and I can't wait to see your results.